Hello dear students, in this video I'm going to explain chapter 5 lesson 2 regular polygon page 189. Okay, in this video we're going to explain how to find the central angle measure for each regular polygon, or how to find the perimeter, how to find the side where the central angle is given, and how to find the area. Okay, let's see the first case using the central angle rule. What's the rule of central angle? It is 360 divided by n. Okay, n is the number of the side of a polygon. For example, find the central angle measure of a regular 12gon. So n equals to what? 12. We will say what? 360 divided by 12. Okay, we have 36 divided by 12 equals to 3. So it is 30 degrees. Another example, when they say, for example, find the central angle measure of a regular nonagon. Okay, we will say n nonagon, n equals to what? N equals to 9. Let's see how to solve it. It will be 360 divided by 9. How many zeros you have? 1. 36 divided by 9, it will be 40 degrees. So it's like this. If they ask for what? If they ask for example, hexagon, we will say it's equals to 6. So it will be 360 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6, so it will be 60 degrees. In this case, they ask for what? Find the central angle. What's the rule? 360 divided by n. Sometimes they ask for what? A measure of central angle, it's given, which is equals to 40. Find the number of the sides, of its sides. So what's the rule? It will be 360 divided by central angle. To find what? To find n, the number of the side. Let's see. In this case, they say what? The central angle is 40. How to find it? It will be 360 divided by 40. Okay? 0 and 0, they cancel each other. 36 divided by 4 equals to 9gon. Or you can say nonagon. Okay? And another example, for example, they say the central angle measure of a regular polygon, it is 30 degrees. What's the number of the sides? So we will say 360 divided by 30. Okay, 0 and 0, they cancel each other. 36 divided by 3, it will be 12gon, or you can say dodecagon. Now we have apothem. What's the meaning of apothem? Apothem is the side from the center. Okay, it's a line from the center to the side. So this is what apothem, small a. So then the second case, they ask for what? Find the perimeter and area. For perimeter, for P, we have a rule n times s. S is the number of the side. S is the side measure, the length of the side. For example, find the perimeter of a regular 7gon. So n equals to what? 7. Pay attention about s and n. N is equals to the number of the side. S is side length. With the side length is 6. So s equals to what? S equals to 6. Let's see. Multiply them. N equals to 7. S equals to 6. So s equals to 42 centimeter. Okay. Sometimes they say what? Find the perimeter of a regular polygon with the side length is 5. So s equals to what? 5. And they ask for what? Find p. But they don't know, they don't give us n. How to find n? They give us the central measure. They say central measure equals to 40 degrees. So by using the central measure, you have to find n. 360 divided by n. We don't have it. We have central measure. So it's out of 40, which is equals to 9. Now we have n. Multiply them. 9 times 5 equals to 45. The rule of area, it is what? Area equals to s times n times a out of 2. Okay, s is the side length, n is the number of the polygons, the side of the polygons, a is apothem. For example, They say what? Find the area of a regular sexagon. So hexagon. N equals to what? N equals to 6. With the side length 6 centimeters. So S equals to 6. And above them it's 3, the square root of 3. So what's the rule? Area equals to S times N times A divided by 2. S equals to what? S equals to 6. N equals to what? N equals to 6. A equals to what? Above them it's 3, the square root of 3. Okay. 6 times 6, 36 times 3, the square root of 3 out of 2. Okay. 36 times 3 is equals to 108. The square root of 3 divided by 2. Can I simplify? Yes. It will be 54. 54, the square root of 3. What centimeter square? Pay attention. The units of area, it's always power 2. Then, sometimes they don't give us the information. You have to know N, S, and A by the figure. For example, if you have only this picture and they ask for area, you have to know N equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N equals to 6. Above them, it's from the center to the side. So A, small a, equals to 3, the square root of 3. What about side length? That's given. So S equals to 6 centimeter. Use the rule of area. Area equals to S times N times A out of 2. Okay. So even the information is not given by the sentence, you have to recognize it by the picture or by the figure. Now we have what? Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with an area 32.7 and above them is 3. We have a specific rule for perimeter when area is given, which is equals to area is what? Area equals to P times A out of 2. How to find perimeter when area and above them is given? You have to use this rule. Area is given, which is equals to 32.7 equals to. Perimeter, we don't know, you have to find it. Above them it's given, it is 3 out of 2. So use cross product. Okay. 1 times PP times 1 times 3, 3 equals to 2 times 32.7. When you multiply them, it will be 65.4. Okay. P times 3, it is 3P equals to 65.4. How to get rid of 3? Divide by 3, divide by 3. So P equals to what? 21.8 centimeters. So pay attention when perimeter and above them are given. Sorry, when area and above them are given, you have to use this rule. Area equals to P times A out of 2. Okay. Then we have another example. For example, they say what? What's the perimeter? What is the perimeter of square? Okay. When area equals to 81. Okay. How to find perimeter when area is given? Okay, of square. Of square, you know, N equals to what? N equals to 4. But we don't have S. By using area, can I find S? Of course. Why? Because area is side times side. Or you can say area equals to S power 2. Now area is given, which is equals to 81, S power 2. How to get rid of power 2? Take a square root for each one. So S equals to what? 9. So by using area, we will find S. And we're going to put S and the rule. Now perimeter equals to, as I told you, N equals to 4 because it's square. And we find the side length by using the area, which is equals to 9. Okay. 4 times 9 equals to what? 36 square centimeters square. Okay. Let's solve the exercise. Before I solve the exercises, I have one question. It's about an equilateral triangle. Okay. For example, for equilateral triangle, we have a specific rule again. Area equals to the square root of 3 out of 4s power 2. They say what? An equilateral triangle with area at 16, the square root of 3. Find what? Find perimeter. The rule of P, it's n times s. And it's equilateral triangle, so n equals to 3. But we don't know s. By using the area of equilateral triangle, we're going to find s. Area is given, which is 16, the square root of 3 equals to the square root of 3 out of 4s power 2. Okay, as you can see, how can I solve it? How to get rid of s power 2? Just use cross product. Okay, then the square root of 3 equals to 4 times 16, the square root of 3. Then for the square root of 3 equals to 4 times 16, it is 64, the square root of 3. Okay, it's s power 2. Square root of 3, square root of 3, they cancel each other. S power 2 equals to 64. How to get rid of s power 2? Take a square root of each side. So s equals to 8. Okay, now s equals to 8, n equals to 3, multiply them. Perimeter equals to n times s. P equals to n equals to what? 3. S equals to what? Equals to 8. So 3 times 8 equals to 24. I'm going to repeat this one. Pay attention. Look. So the rule of equilateral triangle is what? Area equals to the square root of 3 out of 4 s power 2. Area is given, which is equals to 16. The square root of 3 is equals to the square root of 3 out of 4 s power 2. Use cross product. Okay, 4 times 16, the square root of 3 equals to the square root of 3s power 2. This one equals to 64, the square root of 3 equals to the square root of 3s power 2. Square root and square root, they cancel each other. S power 2 equals to 64. How to get rid of s power 2? Take a square root for each side. So s equals to 8. Then use 8 and the rule of perimeter times 3 equals to 24. Then let's solve the exercise one by one. Okay, find the central angle measure of each regular polygon. The first one, octagon, so it will be 360 divided by 360 divided by octagon. So many sides in octagon? There's 8 sides. When you divided them, it equals to 45 degrees. Pentagon, it will be 360 divided by 5. Okay, n equals to what? So the rule is 360 divided by n. N is pentagon, it's 5. That's why it will be 72 degrees. 11 gons, 360 divided by n. N equals to what? It is 11. So 360 divided by 11, when you divide them, it will be 32.7 degrees. Question 4 till 7, they ask for what? Find the number of the sides when central angle measure is given. Let's see, what's the rule of this one? It will be 360 out of central angle. Okay, let's see. 360 divided by central angle. Central angle is what? It's 30. Okay, 0 and 0, they cancel each other. It will be 12. 36 divided by 3, it's 12. 12 gone, or you can say dodecagon. The other one is 20, so it will be 360 again divided by central angle, which is equals to 20. They cancel each other. 36 divided by 2 equals to 18 gone. Okay, 18, 360 divided by central angle, which is equals to 360. Central angle is equals to 18. 360 divided by 18, or you can say we have 36 divided by 18 equals to 2, so it is 20 gone. Okay, the last one, again, central measure is given. How to find n? It will be 360 divided by central measure, which is equals to 12. You have 36 divided by 12 equals to what? Equals to 30 sides, or 30 gone. Okay, Then question 8, 9 and 10, they ask for what? Find the perimeter of each polygon. How to find the perimeter for each polygon? What's the rule of perimeter? Equals to n times s. Regular octagon. So n equals to what? 8. S equals to what? Equals to 6. So 8 times 6. 8 times 6 equals to 48 centimeter. The second one, regular pentagon. N equals to what? N equals to 5. Side length equals to 5. S equals to 5. Multiply them. N times S. Both of them equals to 5. So 5 times 5 equals to 25 centimeter. Question 10. 12 gone with a side length 3 centimeters. So 12. N equals to what? 12. S equals to what? Equals to 3. Multiply them. P equals to N times S. P equals to N is given, which is equals to 12. Even S is given, so it's equals to what? 3. Perimeter 12 times 3 equals to 36 centimeters. Again, it's the same thing. Equilateral triangle N equals to 3. Okay, so we will say 360 divided by 3, which is equals to 120. Heptagon, it's 360 divided by 7. Nonagon is 360 divided by 9. The other one, 360 divided by 10 degrees. How many sides do you have? 36 sides. Or you can say 36 gone because they ask for the sides. Now we have find the area. Okay. Find the area of each regular polygon. What's the rule of area? Area equals to S times N times A out of 2. Sna out of 2 or san out of 2. Okay. As I told you, S is what? Side length equals to what? S equals to 3. Apportion from the center to the side, small a, it is what? 3.12. N equals to what? Number side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7. Multiply them. 3 times 7 times 3.12 out of 2. Okay. 3 times 7, it will be 21 times 3.12 out of 2. It will be 65.52 when you multiply them out of 2. Divided by 2 equals to 32.76 centimeter square. Its area. So you have to put power to this one. S equals to what? S equals to 10. Side length. Area equals to, apportion equals to what? 5 the square root of 3. N equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N equals to 6. Multiply them. S times N times A out of 2. Okay. S equals to what? S equals to 10. N equals to 6. And apportion equals to 5 the square root of 3 out of 2. 10 times 6 equals to 60 times 5 equals to, let's see, okay, 60 times 5, the square root of 3 divided by 2, multiply them equals to 30 times 5, so it will be 150 the square root of 3. Then we have question 20. It's very important, pay attention. Square with apportion 3, and they ask for what? For area. So what's the rule of area? It is S times N times A out of 2. We have N, which is equals to 4. Okay. We have A, which is equals to 3. But you don't have S. Pay attention. In square, okay, when you have apportion, how you can find side? We will say 2 times apportion. So 2 times apportion is what? It is 6. So 2 times 6 equals to, 2 times 3 equals to 6. So S equals to what? S equals to 6. As I told you, in square, when you have apportion, by using this rule 2 times A, you can find side. So now, area, big area, S equals to what? We found it is equals to 6 times N equals to what? It's square, so it's equals to 4. A equals to what? It's equals to 3. Okay, divided by what? Divided by 2. 4 times 6, 24. 24 times 3 divided by 2 equals to 36 square centimeters square. Okay, and this one we have pentagon, n equals to 5, side length equals to 3, above them equals to 2.75. So just use s times n times a divided by 2. You get the answer, which is equals to 20.625. It will be 20.6. Question 22. Again, they ask for what? Find the perimeter. Square with an area 225. As I told you, perimeter equals to n times s. We have n, which is equals to 4, but we don't have s. By using area, can I find side? Yes. Area equals to s power 2. Area is given 225 equals to s power 2. Take a square root for each side. S equals to what? S equals to 15. And we have 4 as n, so P equals to 4 times 15. P equals to 60 meter. Okay, 60 meter. Now we have question 23. How to solve it? Nonagon with area 222.5 centimeters square and above them. Again, A is given with area. Okay. How to find perimeter when area and above them as given? As I told you, a specific rule for this one, area is equals to P times A out of 2. Area is given, which is equals to 222.5 equals to perimeter. It's not given. They ask for perimeter, and above them is 8.24 out of 2. Okay, can I use simplify between this one and this? Yes, of course, it will be 4.12. Then use a cross product. Okay, it's under 222.5, it's 1. So it will be P times 4.12 is equals to 222.5. How to get rid of 4.12? Divided by 4.12 divided by 4.12. So perimeter equals to 54.0048. Approximately perimeter equals to 54 centimeter. Yes, it's centimeter. Question 24. Okay, 24. They say what? Regular pentagon. So n equals to what? 5. With opposite 30.24, and we're going to use this one by Pythagorean theorem. Let's solve 25, 26, and 27. A regular polygon with a side length, so S is given, which is equals to 5. You have to find what? N. How? When central angle measure is given, it's easy to find N. It will be 360 out of central angle, which is equals to 40. Okay, let's see. Okay, 360 divided by 40, 0 and 0, they cancel each other, which is equals to 9. So use the rule of perimeter. We have n, we found it. S equals to what? They say S equals to 5. So 9 times 5 equals to 45. For question 26, again you have to find the n equals to what? 360 divided by 9, which is equals to 4. Then perimeter equals to n times s. Perimeter n is 9 times s equals to what? S equals to 6. 9 times 6 equals to, question 9 times, 4. N is equals to 4. Perimeter equals to n times s. Perimeter equals to n times s equals to what? It's 6. 4 times 6 equals to 24 centimeter. Then the last one, again, find the central angle measure. It will be 360. By using this one, you can find n. 360 divided by 36, which is equals to 36 divided by 6 equals to 10. Okay, perimeter equals to n times s. Perimeter n is what? 10 times s equals to what? Question 27, S equals to 4. So 10 times 4 equals to 40 centimeter. Okay. For this one, question 28, again, same thing. N equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N equals to 8. S equals to what? 3.3. Above them equals to what? 4. So multiply them divided by 2. Okay. Then, we have 41. How to solve this one? And this one, you have radius, so you have to find the Pythagorean theorem. What's the rule of Pythagorean theorem? The c power 2 equals to a power 2 plus b power 2. Now we have what? X power 2. Okay. Plus 6 power 2, it's given, equals to 6.5 power 2. We don't know x power 2 equals to what? You have to find it to the sides, okay? This one is 36 power 2, 6.5 power 2, it will be 42.25. Okay, so x power 2 equals to, move 36 to the other side. Okay, so it will be minus 36. X power 2 equals to what? Equals to 6.25. Take a square root for each side. X equals to 2.5. So the side length, it's 2 times 2.5, which is equals to 5. Now, you have n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5 equals to what? Equals to 40, because they ask for parameter. We find s by using Pythagorean theorem. Then we have n, which is equals to 8, multiply them. 42, what's the area of octagon? And problem 41, now same question, question 41. N equals to 8, so it's, because it's octagon, we found s, which is equals to 5, and above them equals to 6. When you multiply them and divide it by 2, it will be 120 square centimeter. Okay, let's see. Area equals to s times n times a out of 2. S equals to what? 5. N equals to what? 8. Above them equals to what? 6 divided by 2. It will be 240 divided by 2. So n equals to what? Sorry, area equals to 120 centimeters square. Okay, let's solve some national questions. Question 1. What's the parameter when area is given? It is 81. So area equals to s power 2. Okay, by taking a square root for each side, area is given. So 81 s power 2 s equals to what? They cancel each other, equals to 9. 9 times n equals to 4. 9 times 4 equals to 36. Then, in this example, pay attention. Question 20. Find the perimeter of a square with area is 64. Again, area equals to s power 2. Area is 64 equals to s power 2. Take a square root, so s equals to 8. 8 times 4 equals to 32. The central angle over each regular triangle is what? It is 120. Triangle y, because it's 360 divided by 3. Triangle n equals to 3, so it will be 120. Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with a side length is 6. Again, n equals to 5, s equals to 6. Multiply them equals to 30. This one, question 17, it's very important. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 8. What's the rule of perimeter? They ask for what? Find the area of what? Equilateral triangle. Let's see. Perimeter equals to n times s. Perimeter is given, which is equals to 18. We don't have n, we don't have s. N equals to what? It's triangle. N equals to 3 times s. Okay, how to get rid of 3? Divide by 3, divide by 3. So s equals to what? S equals to 6. Then use the rule of equilateral triangle. Okay, area equals to the square root of 3 out of 4s power 2. Area equals to the square root of 3 out of 4s power 2. We did it. It is 6 power 2. So area equals to the square root of 3 out of 4, 36. Can I simplify between 36 and 4? Yes, it will be 9. So area equals to 9, the square root of 3. Okay, pay attention about this question. Question 16. They ask for what? Find the area of a regular hexagon. So n equals to 6. Area. Let's check if we have an and s. Side length, so equals to 6. Apothem is equals to what? To the square root of 3. Multiply them, divided by 2. Then question 15 is the distance from the center to a regular polygon side. It is apothem. Question 14. Find the perimeter of a... We did it. With area, it's 15. So 225. Area equals to s power 2. What's the square root of 225? It is 15. 15 times n equals to 4. This one, it will be 16. Question 13. Find the square side. This one is area given. They ask for what? Side. Only the side without perimeter. So area equals to side times side. Area is what? 175. Okay. What times 1 equals to 175? It is 25 times 7. At least one of them is perfect square. 25, it will be 5, the square root of 7. So side equals to what? 5, the square root of 7. Question 12. Okay, they ask for what? Find the perimeter of equilateral triangle with area. It's 16, the square root of 3. We did it. This is question 34 on a book. Okay, I explain it in this video. Question 11, it's just like question 7. Okay, now we have question 10. The side length of a regular hexagon is 2 meters. What's the area? Even this one, for regular hexagon, we have a specific rule. Area equals to what? Area equals to 3, the square root of 3 out of 2s power 2. Let's see. S is given, which is equals to 2. So directly you can find the area. 3, the square root of 3 out of 2s power 2. It will be 2 power 2, which is equals to 4. So can I use simplify between 4 and 2? Of course, it will be 2. Now, we have what? 2 times 3 equals to 6, the square root of 3. So which one is correct? B is correct. 6 is the square root of 2. Again, for question 9, area of square, so n equals to 4. Apothem, a equals to 3. In square, when you have apothem, you can find side by using apothem. It will be 2 times 3, 2 times apothem, which is equals to 6. Then use the rule of n times s times a divided by 2. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.